Welcome back to my channel. So I had to do a continuation of the video that I just did on the skincare, the Duval spinner. And so today's video I wanted to focus on things that you can do for your well-being, and it does not include creams, serums, exfoliators, acids, anything like that. The thing I wanted to talk to you about was having plants in your house and drinking water. Those seem like silly things, and I know that it does sound kind of crazy, but if you think about it, plants bring life. They are a living, breathing thing, and they actually produce, they take in the bad things from the air and then they return fresh oxygen. So one of NASA's top plants for purifying the air and giving you fresh oxygen, where you don't have to buy those crazy $500 machines that filter the air for you. You could just do that with plants, and it's a small investment. And what I wanted to share with you, the number one plant from NASA is this guy right here. This is called a snake plant. I despise snakes in real life, but I will definitely keep these in my house at all times. So what this, they say that this is one of the top oxygen producing plants. And so what I did actually with this is I propagated this snake plant by cutting off a piece of the leaf, and I have it in a cup. And so what will happen is I put it in there yesterday, and so tomorrow I will fill the cup with water. It's as simple as this. You fill the cup with water, and then you let it sit for 30 days, for about 30 days, and you'll start seeing roots to come out from the bottom. And so what you'll do with that is you'll take your fresh leaf that has the new roots, and you'll put it in a different pot with soil in it and just let it grow. So that's as simple as it is. All you have to do is make the first investment, which is the plant. These are literally, I think $10 is what I paid for it. So if you can invest the $10, then you can continue to keep propagating new plants, and you can have as many of these little guys as you want. These also will grow. I just keep bringing it back because I keep having things that I need to tell you. But these will continue to grow, and they can get as big as you want them to get. So they say that they're very low maintenance. It doesn't matter if it's in the shade or part sun or full sun. It's pretty easy to grow. They say that if you can't grow any plants, that this is the one you should have because it's pretty hard to kill. So you just water it once a week. And if you are a little bit late at that, it's fine. And I have it by my bedside. And then I'm going to take you on a little tour of all the plants that I have in my house. The other tip that I was going to give you really quickly is water. Drinking plenty of water every day to help with things like inflammation, to help with, just making you feel better. And I hired a trainer a few years ago, and really it has helped me so much with just paying attention to how much water I drink, even when I don't feel like drinking water, and it just makes you feel so much better. So my challenge to you is that over the next week that you buy a plant, and this is not an ad or anything like that, I'm just talking to you. And then the next one is to increase your water intake and let me know how you feel. Now, for plants, the one thing that I read, and it's crazy, but they say that if you name your plants, that is like a really good thing, that it helps them to live, or it gives them, I don't know, some kind of energy. Now, of course, I'm superstitious and I believe in all this. So if you have some cool plant names, then I would love for you to drop them in the comments below and let me know what kind of plant or what name you would have for a plant. And also, I want you to like and subscribe to this video. I will give I'll do a giveaway. I'm not sure what I'm going to give away. It's probably going to be some makeup product in a makeup bag, but if I could send you plants, I would love to do that. If you're local and you're chosen, then maybe I can meet up with you and give you a plant. Okay, so I'm going to take you a tour on a tour through my house of all my plants. And thank you for letting me share this with you. I know that it sounds silly, and maybe some of you have never tried planting anything or having anything like that, but I'm completely obsessed. Like, I love it. I want to try to grow everything. I've got a little garden outside. Maybe I'll show you that in another video. But let's take a tour of all the plants that I have. I'll show you the ones that I just got from Amazon. They sent them to me in 2 days, and everything was boxed perfectly. They bubble wrapped it and taped it around, where literally all I had to do was get it out of the box, cut it, the tape off of it, and then put it in my new planter. So let's take a little tour, and thank you so much for letting me share my life with you and my stories with you and my crazy plant proposition with you. So I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and it makes it worthwhile. And here we go. Let's go. So here is one of my peace lilies. And this is one that you can also divide and you can replant it. That's not a plant, it's an animal, and it's Noxie. Say hi, everybody. Okay, this is my mint, this chocolate mint. And then I had to cut off some of that one, but it's still surviving. And then this is my succulent, some of my succulents. And then this is pothos. And then I have a peace lily, another one. And in here we have a bamboo, a fern, and there's my snake plant that I am propagating. And I have another, I have 2 aloe plants and a little bamboo over there. Okay, over here we have, I'm still deciding on this vase what I want to do with it. It doesn't have the drainage hole in the bottom, so this is English ivy, super easy to grow. You can definitely propagate those as well. Here's another one. I love ivy. This is a monstera tree or plant, and she is still adjusting from being in the box, so I have put some bamboo sticks up to kind of train her. This is my fiddle leaf fig or ficus tree, and it will grow as tall as this room if I want it to. And then this is, I think this is more pothos in the process of being propagated. And then more ivy is over here. And then we have another peace lily. And I love peace lilies. And then here we have a cool little creation. I'm going to turn the lights on so you can see. So this is a little succulent collection. There's a cactus and a few other just little succulents that will grow bigger, hopefully, in the right environment. More. And look at how long the vine is. So, and then I just have a little succulent in here, but I don't think you can really see it. Be careful. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody have a great weekend.